So the 2 D-rings in the bag, they go on top corner of the handlebar and the base of the trigger guard. It's double-sided hook and loop there, routed through the D-ring. We're going to undo this all the way to a straight strap. So it looks like this. The D-ring should face up from the stiff side, and the fuzzy side should be down. I'll route this around the bar. It goes through this metal loop. And I'm going to get the D-ring kind of like top 45 degrees this way. I'm going to hold it there. I'm going to put as much pressure as I can on this, really girth hitching it there. It'll hold whether it has rubber or metal. Once that's set, pinch that tension with a finger. Start wrapping this around. Line it up, the edges up nice and neat. Go through the D-ring. Take up all that slack and go back on itself until all the rest of it is used up. And make sure you always go back to the D-ring. There, that guy's set. Not going anywhere. We're going to repeat the steps with the grip. On these ones, I like to put the metal loop on the outside or exterior side of that. Just gives it a more flush base and easier to work with, I find, for starting. So again, through the metal loop, a girth hitch, line up that D-ring on the side, hold it there, crank it down. Back through the D-ring. Now that guy's set, anchored in, limited by the angle right there. So that's set up for the saw.